Hello our followers, we'll be back again in this next video. So guys, my name is DMK, so don't mess up with the name. Yeah, today we are looking at how to fix a Telegram not sending verification codes. This is affecting very many guys globally, here and there. So guys, let us switch immediately. Why are people having these problems? So let us go slowly by slowly. We pass through why are they having this problem. So guys, you first try to check out your network. Is it okay? So for me, I'm using my Wi-Fi. So all bars are connected fully. Also, you can try your network. So guys, if they are stable, then you are ready to go. And also you can restart your device if at all. Yeah, it's simply by restarting it. You can press your power button, and also you press restart button, and also it will come back again. You start there immediately, because this also happens, yeah, with the temporary issues, but can be resolved. So guys, let us continue. Yeah, you can wait a bit, and also, yeah, it can also make some delays and also do some restrictions here and there by not sending the codes. If there are too many attempts, you can go there. For me, I don't have any recent tasks. So guys, subscribe. Those who haven't subscribed, like, share, also comment. So guys, also you can check out for your verification number that you have entered into, or your email. So guys, those are the two. But if at all they fail, you can request for a call. So guys, for me, I have my Telegram installed. We can go and install it, uninstall it. Yes guys, so we can go in our settings, then we uninstall. We do this thing thoroughly. So those ones are one of the problems that can make you not to install your Telegram account. You can also resolve that. So app management, let us look for where is our Telegram. So guys, just patience, a little. So guys, it is there. We can go and uninstall it. So uninstall, we wait a minute. Yeah, it is done within. So let us go back and we verify. So it was here, and you see it is uninstalled. So guys, yeah, so let us continue. Let us go direct how to create, and we see if we shall get that problem also this side. So guys, let us continue. Going to our Play Store, that one, you know, we type in a Telegram, Telegram. So it goes there immediately. And always make sure that you have the up-to-date verified Telegram version. So guys, this is what we have done by uninstalling the old one, and we put a new version. So guys, let us install it. We go. So we can wait a minute. Yes, as it is installing. Yeah, it will first download, installs, and also we open. Immediately we see what will happen. So guys, always make sure your VPN is off, and you have selected, yeah, you have selected the country with its code and also the number that you verify it. yeah, that the number you have installed is really the one. So guys, let us go. We see our Telegram installed. So you see, we don't have any app like VPN. We only emphasize our network, that it is upright. Yeah, by seeing our bars, as you see there, my internet is very fast. It does everything in very fast, in the fast way. So guys, let us go to our Telegram immediately. Let us open the app. So guys, our topic today is all about how to fix our Telegram not sending code, and also creating our account to be verified. So guys, it goes there. Yeah, tap on start messaging. We continue. As in our first videos, I told you about these things. Yeah, for me, as I told you, you go, you select any country that is the best for you according to where you are allocated. So guys, if you are in America, somehow you go there. Angola, where, but for me, I'll go where I am now. So I'll go to Uganda. So guys, I'll look for you, where you is. Yes, there are very many U's. Uruguay, United Kingdom, where. So guys, let us go immediately to Uganda. Tap there. So let us type in our number. As I told you, your number or your email, or you tap. Yes, if the SMS is not coming, because it's what we are looking at, make sure at least you tap the call. Yeah, you'll have a call. Okay guys, let us type in our number. Okay, we go slowly by slowly. Yes. Okay, tap. Yes, continue. Allow. Make sure everything is allowed. Yeah, make sure guys, everything is allowed. Yes, if they call you, make sure you have your pen, right? Or yes, we wait a bit, we can sign in. Yeah, your email, if you have, also you put in to simplify these things. So guys, yes, we are done. Are we done? Login code. Yeah, yes, it is there for me. It has been given to me, which is that. So my code, it has been given to me, and even, yeah, my account has been verified, and the code, it has been given to me. So guys, let us meet in the next video for more updates.